Good afternoon, students. This is lecture number 2nd. We are going to discuss the exercise 6A. Okay. 6A is very simple exercise. Okay. Depending on the previous lecture, if you have clear concept about the decimals. Okay. First one, question number 1. We have to write down the numerical form of this 6.2. 6.2. This is 6.2. First one. Similarly, you have to write down another fourth one. 310. Question number 1, 310.0506. This is the numerical form of this. Okay. Next question, draw a decimal place value diagram and write the following number in it. Okay, decimal place value diagram. You have given hint here. Okay, don't do this type of things. Okay, if you want to make diagram of this type of decimal expression, then question number 2, we have second question, that is 75.3. 75.3 means these are the expressions, or in tabular form we have like this 7, 5 and 3. Okay, because 5 is ones place, so we have to multiply 5 into 1, so that is 5, and 7 into 10, that's why it is 70. Then rest of the number is 3. 3 means 3 by 10, so it is 0.3. So we have to just multiply this number by, okay, divide this number by 10, so that it becomes 0.3. Okay, so 0.3. If we add 75.3, so this is the equal to 70 plus 5 plus 0.3, that is 75.3. Okay, similarly you have to repeat the same for all. Okay, similar to question number 3rd. Okay, now question number 4. Second and third are similar type of question. Okay, do write the same. Then fourth one, write a decimal numeral for each. Okay, decimal numeral means 8 by 10. I have already explained all these values. How to divide by 10, how to divide by 100, how to divide by 1000, 10,000. Okay, we are looking for the question number 4, fourth part. Question number 4, fourth part is, we have 19 upon 10,000. 19 upon 10,000 means we have 40, so we have to place it as like this. Okay, 00. Then we have to just add the decimal here. 0019 is the answer. 0.0019 is the answer. Next, the last one, seventh one is 1165 by 11. Last one, I think seventh part. 1165 by 10,000. Sorry, 1000. So 1000 into 11, that is 11,065. 11,065 is this upon 1000. Just place 3 decimal towards the left, because here is divisible by we have to divide by 1000. So 1, 2 and 3. So it is 11.065. Question number 5. Write the following in expanded form. Okay. We are taking the third part, 516,378. 516,378. Question number 5, third part, 516.378. Okay, just expand this value by just putting the place value of this number. Okay, 5 100 place, so 5 into 100. 1 tens place, so 1 into 10. 6 ones place, so 6 into 1, plus 3 tenth. 3 is 10th place. What is the 10th of third? That is 3 by 10. Then we have 7 100 place, so divide by 100. Then 8 by 1000. Okay, these are the expanded form of this number. So this is the expanded form. Okay, now similarly you have to write down the expanded form of other numbers. Okay, in other parts. Next, question number 6, write the following in short form. Okay, we have to write down this question in short form. Question of 6, first part, Okay, you have to just multiply in this number. Okay, 3 into 1000 plus 0 into 100. 0 into 100. Question number 6, first part. 0 into 100. 5 into 10, 4 into 1. 5 into 10, 4 into 1 plus 1 into 1 by 10. 1 into 1 by 10, that is 1 by 10. 1 into 1 is 1. So 1 by 10. 6 into 1 by 100, that is 6 upon 100. Yes or no? 6 upon 100. Okay, we have to just convert these numbers because these are simple. 3 into 1000, 3000 plus 0 plus 5 10 is 50 plus 4 into 1 4. Now we have to convert 1 by 10. 1 by 10 we have to just place these value like 1 by 10. So we have to place decimal here to here. So this is 0.1. And if you have to convert this 6 by 100, then we have to just convert this in 2 digit number like this 06 upon 100. So decimal is here to here. Okay, so 0.06 is the answer. So we have 1 by 10 is 0.1 and then 0.16. So now add all the number 3054.1. Okay, this is actually 10.10. We can 10 plus 16 is 26. So we have to just add these value. 16 plus 10 is 26. This is the short form of this number. Okay. Sorry, I think the board is not clearly visible. I repeat, 3 into 1000, then 0 into 100, 5 into 10 50, 4 into 1 1, 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is 0.1 and we are using this, we can write 0.1 as 0.10. Yes or no? 0.10 means 10, 0.10 and 0.16. 0. Actually this is written like this, 0.10 and 0.16. 16 plus 10, that is 26. 10 plus 16, that is 26. So 26 means 0.26. So we have to just add 0.26 here. Now question number 7. Compare the following decimal number and we have to put greater than, less than and equal to sign between these. These are very simple question. 6.18 is less than 6.98. Question number 6. Okay, we are taking second part. Second part is 32.203 and second one is 32.203. 32.203. 32.203 and here so 203 and 203 means both are equal. Okay, next the last one, sixth part. Actually these are the simple questions, so you have to practice this question. Okay, so that I have taken only one or two part of every question. Okay, so you have to practice this question. 605.0093, 605.0093. Then second number is 605.0039, 605.0. Actually these are equal. So next we can take the fifth one. Okay, fifth one is important. 4.93, 4.9387 and second one is 5.3. Okay, 5.3 here 4.93. So 5 is greater than 4. Very simple. Okay, now question number 8. Arrange the following decimal in order of the size starting with the largest. Means we have to convert. Sorry, we have to. Okay, question number 7. Okay, increasing order and decreasing order. We have to convert it in increasing or decreasing order. The question is starting with the largest. Mean largest to smallest means decreasing order. So decreasing order, for decreasing order, the question number 7, first part sorry, question number 8, first part. We have 4.893, 4.893. Okay. Second one 7.983, 7.983. 7.909. Okay. 7.913. Okay, one more information is that the syllabus for your unit test second is the syllabus completed till today. Okay, जितना भी आज syllabus complete होगा वही आपका 4th chapter 5th chapter are completed, then exercise 6A I think completed today. Okay, will be completed, and maybe 6B also. Okay, so up to 6B in your syllabus for the 6A and 6B for the unit set second. Okay, fourth chapter complete, fifth chapter complete, 6A and 6B. Okay, so question is this, now we have to just compare. Okay, largest to smallest, so we have to just compare 7, 7 and this. 983, 909, 913. 913 is more than this, so this is the largest number, 7.983. Then 983, 913, so 900, 913. Then 7.909. Then we have 4.810. Okay, now the third part important. Zero point 0710, 0.0171, 0.1007. Okay, 0.0071. Next one is 0.0107. Okay, now have a look here. Okay, this is 1007 actually, 1000 sir. Then 171, 710, 71, 107. Very simple question. 0.1007, because in all these decimal number we have 40. Okay, after 0 we have 4 decimal point. 4 here, 4. So if there are equal decimals, then you have to just convert the number. That will be number. So 0.107, then 710, 0.0710, then 0.0171, 0.0107, 0.0071. Okay, complete. Okay, question number 9. Put these number in order of size with the smallest digit. This is your homework, because totally depend on the question number 8. Okay, write as fraction. Okay, I had already discussed this in the previous lecture, because in that lecture we had discussed a lot about the how to convert decimal to fraction and how to convert fraction to decimal. Okay, question number 10. We have 0.53, and we have to convert this decimal into fractional value. So for 20 we have to multiply with 100, because 100. Okay, now it becomes for, if you multiply a number by 100, then the decimal shifted towards the right side with 2 digits. Okay, so it becomes 53.0 upon 100. So 53.0 is 53. I had already discussed a lot about these, because in the previous lecture we had just discussed about the concept of this chapter. We had not taken any exercise in that lecture. Okay, so now fourth one is, this is first. Fourth one is 0.0087, 0.0087. So we have to multiply this number with 10,000, because we have to split out these 4 decimal out. Okay, so 10,000, so multiply with 10,000, it will become 87, because 20, if you multiply by 20, then 2 decimal are shifted right. If you multiply by 40, it means 10,000, then 4 decimal are shifted towards right. Okay, 87 by 10,000 is the answer. Now question number 11. lowest form.
Okay.
Okay, lowest form we will discuss in next lecture because the length of the video is too much. Okay, so thank you so much.